Hey guys, Zoe here with yet another tutorial on multiple screen edit. So let's start by importing the pictures and music we need to work on. Copy that image below to 4 to 5 times. Add beats in your music from CapCut option. Go to text and add vertical bars for 7 to 8 times at distant gaps. Now add rectangle mask with the size of those vertical bars on each image from the main track to the overlays below. Now edit split in random positions of the images and replace that part with another picture. Keep doing it to the last image. As a last step, add keyframe at the starting point and then another at the last, but change the adjustment of brightness to higher number. Export.